Hi, this is Scott Peterson. The question today is, what is the FMLA? Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, is a federal law that protects employees who need to take time off in order to deal with a serious medical condition. If you work for a larger company with more than 50 employees, and you've worked 1,250 hours over the last year, the FMLA says that you're entitled to take up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave in order to deal with a serious medical condition. Treatment for cancer, for example, is a serious medical condition. Staying at home with a cold generally isn't. So, does a serious medical condition have to be yours? Not necessarily, as the FMLA allows employees to take leave to care for family members. If your job is protected, then what is there to worry about? Well, oftentimes employers either don't know the obligations under the FMLA, or they disregard them when the employee tries to come back after the medical leave. Sometimes this retaliation takes the form of a different job position with less responsibility. Sometimes the employee's supervisor starts finding problems with her work where none existed before. And sometimes the employer immediately sets the employee up for failure by doing things such as issuing performance improvement plans or other sorts of write-ups. The thing to remember is that if you are qualified for FMLA leave, even if your employer doesn't recognize it, your job should be protected. If you believe that those rights have been violated, give us a call. We're happy to help. Durazio Peterson, helping victims pick up the pieces.